Disclaimer: store prices may vary. Pricing specs stated here are meant as a guide for consumers and may not be accurate at all times. Paunawa, ang presyo at specs na makita dito ay pawang guide lamang po sa pagbili. Pwedeng magkaiba sa stores at sa mga mall. Helmet light strip, 230 to 300 pesos. Lion Ites, 80 to 200 pesos. Pet helmet and goggles, 200 to 1,500 pesos. Customized motorcycle seat, 650 to 2,500 pesos. Stickers, 50 pesos to 2,000 pesos. Raincoat, 150 to 1,500. Motorcycle cover, 100 to 1,000 pesos. Brake lights, 100 to 850 pesos. Under seat organizer, 50 to 550 pesos. Lock, 58 to 600 pesos. Dashboard light, 70 to 2,500 pesos. Signal light, 150 to 2,500. Floor matting, 500 to 2,500 pesos. Footstep or footrest, 350 to 1,500. Side stand shoes, 250 to 1,000 pesos. Key case, 500 to 1,000 pesos. Handle grip or handlebar, 65 to 500 pesos. Brake levers, 500 to 2,500 pesos. Bolts, 20 to 600 pesos. Side mirror, 150 to 3,500 pesos. Key cover, 350 to 1,500 pesos. Waterproof insulating seat cover, 50 to 250 pesos. Triangle warning lights, 400 to 2,100 pesos. Ang astig nito. Laser tail, 80 to 500 pesos. Horn suction cup, 70 to 100 pesos. Muffler heat guard, 200 to 500 pesos. Muffler tip, 200 to 1,500 pesos. Muffler kit, 2,150 to 6,000 pesos.